Well, we have a really cool recipe for you. And here to show us is Vinny. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and we're gonna start cooking.
Carbonara cakes. We're taking a traditional recipe and we're making it non-traditional. So to get started, we're gonna cook off some capellini. Egg yolks in the bowl. And then 2 whole eggs. All right, we're whisking.
I can whisk.
Pecorino Romano. People are probably, that's a lot of pecorino. That's how you're supposed to do it. We're gonna hit it with some black pepper. This is guanciale. All that's going in. There's pasta water. We are tempering our eggs right now. See, this is the sauce. Whoa.
Whoa, this is why
Easy now.
I'm not usually allowed in the kitchen.
You mind if I step in here?
Please.
Make things happen? Look at that, that's a nice sauce.
Yeah.
It's creamy, and there's no cream. Pasta's gonna go in now. Beautifully cooked capellini, look at that. We're gonna mix this mozzarella cheese all around.
Looks so good.
Yeah, and we're gonna go right onto the tray with this. And then we're gonna throw it in the fridge. We cooled the pasta. We got some breaded little triangles right now. Drop them right in the oil. You see the edges getting brown, you wanna give them a little turn. And we're gonna show everybody how beautiful, look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
My goodness.
And that's a carbonara cake.
Try it at home. The recipe's on our website, news12.com. Vinny, it's amazing.
Yeah, thank
Yay.
you. My pleasure as always.